Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DoorDash keep asking for face verification, frequency and compliance. Fix 1 is complete face verification correctly. Open the Dasher app when prompted, then go to a well-lit area with natural or bright indoor lighting. Then remove sunglasses, hats, face mask or anything covering your face. Then hold your phone steady and follow the on-screen instructions. Wait until the verification finishes before closing the app. Second one is keep your profile information up to date. Make sure you are using your own DoorDash account, then check that your name and account detail match your identity. If your appliance has changed significantly, contact DoorDash support if verification repeatedly fails. Third one is restart your phone. Turn off your phone, then wait about 30 seconds, turn it back on, then open the Dasher app and complete verification again. Fourth one is update the Dasher app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Dasher. Install any available update, then restart the app and sign in again. Fifth one is clear the app cache. Open setting, then tap app Dasher, then select storage, then tap clear cache. Reopen the app or iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app performance a similar refresh. Thanks for watching.